Hello and welcome into my YouTube channel. It's me, appletapple, and in this video I'm going to try Korean makeup. I'm currently also testing the Korean skincare routine. I started yesterday, so I thought I could also try the makeup today. And I'm using Tina Young's video about Korean makeup do's and don'ts. So what I did today with my skin is to wash it with water, and that's it. I saw another video on Korean skincare routines, and that person did the 10 steps in the mornings and in the evenings, and I'm like, what? Do you really have to do that? So I'm focusing on doing the skincare routine in the evening. The 10th step is to put on sunscreen. I guess that's what I would do in the morning, one step, and only wash your face with water. I'm putting on sunscreen now. I'm also going out today to the supermarket, so it's not useless to wear sunscreen. But for the days where I would only stay inside, you don't need sunscreen, right? I mean, we're in a very strange situation at the moment. Okay, I started with my face because that's where I put on makeup and that's where it has to dry first. But of course, never forget your cleavage and arms. But I feel like arms are more used to the sun than this part. Okay, maybe at least for me, because I'm mostly wearing shirts that don't reveal too much, I guess. So now I'm going to do my makeup, but I'm not really going to talk about the products. There is a German drugstore haul, and basically all the products that I'm using in this video are the products that I bought from the drugstores. If you're interested in the products, you can go check out my drugstore haul, check out the products that I bought. Also, a few products are the ones that I had before, so I did not buy everything anew. Luckily, I was trying to go for affordable brands, and yeah, I'll link it down below. You can check it out. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a beginner. Okay. What is that? Ew. Next step, foundation. So you shouldn't put on too much foundation because you still want to make it look natural. So I think we're good now. Moving on to concealer. You shouldn't use too much concealer, so I'm just going to put dots on my face wherever I need them.
Try to only conceal the areas that need coverage or brightening. Use a minimal amount, that way your base is going to look super natural and you're going to look like you're blessed with flawless skin.
Next step is powder, and again, just use powder on the spots where you need to use powder. Okay, now brows, and I'm going to use a lighter color, just hazel blonde. It looks brown to me, but it's probably lighter than my brows. Oh my, it's not really lighter. Trying to create a straight brow is going to be so difficult for me. I tried it once already and it just didn't work. But then again, I already look very young. Not sure if a straight brow would make me look even younger. And I don't really have sparse areas to fill in. I'm just so confused. I think my eyebrows are done. So Tina uses a pencil to line under her arch to make it straighter. It could work. Oh, it does work. Okay, next step is eyeshadow. I'm not sure which one to use. Something more peachy, I feel like. The important thing is that you blend out the eyeshadow. Let's do it. Okay. What? She says not to apply too low, and now I was going all up here. Oh no, what the hell? Okay. The same color for below here. Is it? Oh yeah, a little bit. Okay. I don't think she uses the blending brush for that part. How about I use... So the brush she's using looks like this, but I use this for highlighting. So this is supposed to be a slightly darker color in the outer corner, but for me they kind of look the same. So now she's using some shimmer. Wow! I'm so happy if something actually works. Yay! Oh, she only did that on the center. Never mind. She places a little bit of glitter in the inner corner of her eyes. How about I do that with my glitter mascara? Okay, she uses a pencil eyeliner first and then a liquid eyeliner. I don't have a pencil eyeliner. Should I just use my brow pen? Yeah. I'm working with what I've got, okay. Oh no, my eyelid is moving again. Why does it do that? I don't know what I did to offend it. I'm not sure I'm making any difference. Oh. I'm very bad at making a thin eyeliner, so hopefully it will work today. I think I did it. I like the brown eyeliner. I like the color. I like that it's very subtle. Okay, I should extend the tail more out, I guess, but I fear that it might not look as good anymore. I think that's enough. Okay, now she's popping on some brown eyeshadow, a matte brown eyeshadow. I'm totally going to ruin this. Oh wait. How did my palette survive this? Oh my god! What? This was broken before, but it just fell down. Wow, thank you. That would have been a mess. So, brown eyeshadow. I feel like this is going to look so bad when I try to do that. It's okay. Looking the same. Contact lenses are optional and I don't have any contact lenses, but I was thinking about trying on some contact lenses and make a video out of it. I think it's rather difficult because I followed a friend to his optician and he was wearing glasses, but he wanted to go for contact lenses. You are able to try contact lenses at this optician, and believe me, it took him so long to finally get one contact lens in his eye, and I'm pretty sure it will be the same for me. So if you're interested in a video about this, I already found a website with very funny contact lenses, so if you're interested in that, why do I keep doing this? But let me know down in the comments below if you're interested in seeing a whole video about it. I'm here for it. I'm down for it. She's also using falsies, but I'm just going with my lashes that I have. I also never applied falsies. I did wear falsies once. My sister Gold Amsel put them on for me for some cosplay, but I never applied false lashes myself. Oh no! I poked my eye! Does that ever happen to anyone who's more experienced in makeup? Or is it just my clumsy self? Why is my voice so low? I hope I don't get a cold. Oh no, not again. Oh my. Okay, next step is contouring. And she says keep it natural. Use the bronzer as contouring. You want to just slim down your face. Good luck with that, Apple. My nickname, Appletapple, is derived from the roundness of my face, so good luck with that. Oh no, don't mess it up. I feel like the color is not really the best for my skin tone, or did I just apply too much? Does it do anything? I feel like it doesn't do anything. Oh no. I'm going to be so overdressed for the supermarket. Next step is blush, and I started to talk less because I was running late. So what I'm doing here is applying blush on the cheekbones.
Called MLBB, which stands for My Lips But Better.
The key here is to use a lighter pink color on the outer corners of your lips and then use the peachy color in the center to make them pop. That's why I hate lip product. Last step is to fix it with fixing spray and let it dry. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really need to go. I'm running late. Yes, I hope I nailed the Korean makeup look. I'm not sure. I feel like that's what I would put on my face anyways, but I think it's not too bad considering that most of the times felt like I had no idea what I was doing. Yeah, if you're interested in gaming, make sure to follow me on Twitch as well, and I have Instagram where I post some photos and Twitter. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I post next. I post videos every Saturday. Make sure to come back. Bye everyone, see you next time.